Hey guys, find that phrasal verb. Watch this video and listen for two phrasal verbs. The first one means this. The second phrasal verb means this. This is an exercise I do in my interactive phrasal verb workshop. Are you ready?
The Queen never goes anywhere without her protection team, and that would have been absolutely the case when she was Princess Elizabeth and before she was Queen. She's never dancing or celebrating alone. There are always protection officers at a much closer distance than you think, but they're often very well disguised. They blend in. Royal protection is always there to look after the Queen, but you just might not always spot them.
Did you find the phrasal verbs? Here are the answers.
Than you think, but they're often very well disguised. They blend in. Royal protection is always there to look after the Queen, but you just might not always spot them.
Okay, now let's practice. They are often well disguised and they blend in. Your turn. Now do it again. Protection is always there to look after the Queen. Your turn. Now do it again. Great job! You're done practicing for today. See you next time.